बिहार तो झांकी है, बंगाल अभी बाकी है. That is the message coming in from the Prime Minister. Fresh off a sweeping victory in Bihar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already sounded the poll bugle for the next big battle, that is Bengal, one of the last major states the BJP has yet to conquer. From the stage in Delhi, the message to Mamata Didi, that is Bengal Chief Minister, was unmistakable. We are coming and stronger than ever. The BJP is gearing up to replicate the Jungle Raj narrative that clicked in Bihar, hoping it will resonate just as powerfully in Bengal. But standing in their path is the TMC, a formidable force led by Mamata Banerjee, eyeing her fourth consecutive term. They have dismissed Prime Minister's war cry as a false sense of a bravado. So the big question is this. Is this the election where the BJP finally comes of age in Bengal and reaches Didi's bastion? Or is this war cry driven more by momentum than reality? Time will tell who comes out on the right side of the line, but the state of war Bengal has officially begun.
Modi! Modi! Modi!
The message unmistakable.
Modi!
The intent unmistakably louder.
Modi!
After the NDA's sweeping triumph in Bihar, Prime Minister Modi wasted no time drawing a direct political corridor from Patna to Kolkata.
गंगा जी यहाँ बिहार से बहते हुए ही बंगाल तक पहुंचती है. बिहार ने बंगाल में भाजपा की विजय का रास्ता भी बना दिया है.
With those words, BJP cadres in Bengal received their rallying cry. Senior state leaders say morale is soaring and the mission is clear. Dislodge the Trinamool Congress from power.
जो प्रो उग्रवादी शासन है, इसको हटाकर भारत के हाथ में यहाँ पे शासन व्यवस्था कायम करना है और राम राज्य प्रतिष्ठा करना है. उसको उनको गलतफहमी में रहने दीजिए. समय आएगा तो पता चल जाएगा क्या होने वाला है. वो बैठी रहेगी कि कुर्सी पीछे से चली जाएगी.
जनता ने जंगल राज को वापस नहीं लाना चाहता और पश्चिम बंगाल में जो एनर्की है, जो एब्सोल्यूट लॉनेसनेस है, जो टोटल ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मशीनरी है, उसको पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता समझते हैं. इसीलिए वो तृणमूल से मुक्ति चाहते हैं, उखाड़ कर फेंक देना चाहते हैं.
However, TMC isn't backing down. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee warned BJP and accepted the challenge and said, bring it on.
আরে আমাদের সাথে খেলা অত সহজ নয়. আমরা খেলার আগে পিচটা দেখে নিই. আমরা খেলার আগে খেলাটা জেনে নিই.
That's not all. The counter fire from the TMC camp is getting sharper.
Prime Minister Modi ji, don't be under any illusion. Victory in Bengal is far-fetched for BJP. You and the other leaders of BJP have shown disrespect to women of Bengal. And in Bengal, BJP is known as Bengal Virodhi Zamindars.
Bengal will never accept the politics of Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed, which you play in order to grab power at any cost. You will do anything to grab power. You will pay money, you will use muscle, you will use intimidation, you will divide and rule.
As both sides tighten their political armor, one thing is clear. The battle for Bengal has begun. And this time, the opening shot has been fired from the Prime Minister himself. Bihar may have set the stage, but Bengal is where the real showdown now unfolds. The political temperature is rising and the game has just begun.
Narendra Modi!
Bureau Report, India Today.
Narendra Modi!